The KEDIERS G8 is a mid-tower ATX case that aims to impress, and it largely succeeds. Right out of the box, the panoramic design grabs your attention. The 270-degree view, thanks to the tempered glass front and side panels, offers an unobstructed look at your components. It's a showcase piece, plain and simple, allowing you to display your hardware with pride. The diamond-cut angles add a touch of modern flair, making it a stylish addition to any gaming setup or office environment. Beyond aesthetics, KEDIERS has clearly put thought into functionality. The inclusion of 6 pre-installed 120mm PWM ARGB fans is a major plus. These fans not only provide ample cooling, but also add a vibrant splash of color that can be customized to match your personal preferences. The PWM functionality allows for precise fan speed control, balancing performance and noise levels effectively. One of the standout features of this case is the exquisite steel mesh design. KEDIERS has opted for a 1.2mm mesh, which is finer than the more common 3.0mm mesh found in many other cases. This finer grid offers several advantages. First and foremost, it optimizes heat dissipation by promoting excellent airflow. This is crucial for keeping your components running cool, especially during demanding gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Secondly, the finer mesh provides superior dust resistance, helping to keep the interior of your case clean and free from debris. This not only improves the longevity of your components, but also reduces the need for frequent cleaning. The case also includes a Type-C port on the front panel, which is a welcome addition for modern connectivity. This allows for fast data transfer and convenient charging of compatible devices. The rear-mounted power supply design is standard but effective, providing ample space for cable management. Overall, the KEDIERS G8 is a well-designed and visually striking PC case that offers a great balance of aesthetics and functionality. The panoramic view, pre-installed ARGB fans, and fine mesh design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance and visually appealing PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.